Who else was there? Of course, former president, Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta.
Yona ke minister wa finance, finance.
And it is very important to remember that he was the first minister of finance with a $1 trillion budget. How not to you okay?
Trillion.
Rano gwado makigea muno. Trillion.
Eiga na atia.
Ayo na yadu mwa. Trillion moke ne ngoko ne moto garinya. That Uhuru was finance. Yes.
Even Amos Kimunya was once a minister finance.
After, did he resign?
I think he was forced to.
He was coerced into resignation. He was pushed to the wall.
Boni Kalwale. On the
For this country to be stable, Kimunya must go. For our country to function properly, Kimunya must go. For systems and the development to be achieved in this nation, Kimunya must go. Aya Kimunya, okay, very. Okay, I'd rather die than resign.
I killed a kitty can and mau.
Okay, to I'd rather die
than resign.
When he resigned, he didn't die. And
Nakuma bugia gikaraja gicoka buge na arauma.
You see Kimunya, when Kimunya went, there was a time now Boni Khalwale went and Kimunya came.
Yes, that is the 2017-2022 season.
Yes, it was karma. Kimunya came.
Khalwale left.
Yes.
Then
Kimunya must go.
Then Kimunya left. Khalwale came back.
Yes. It's a game of a seesaw. Yes. Muru karo dali wa finance.
Those are the internal security.
Oh yes. Na yo hano eda ya begwa. It's a hybrid livestock. Yes.
Ni gwakire waziri wari kuo mahinda mari mega muno wetagwo Mwiraria.
Daudi Mwiraria. Very calm and collected daktari.
And those were the good economical times.
No, the good old days, I tell you. Mwiraria served in the Kibaki administration for the both terms. There was who?
He andu akinyire anga we gukigia muskosko.
Wagi ari. Nyamuno eta anglo freezing.
Anglo leasing. It was also freezing.
I think it's the time they resigned out of the Anglo leasing.
Anglo leasing scandal.
Yes. No Mudavadi okay.
Mudavadi are better way. Mudavadi was a moist era.
Oh yeah. At that time he actually was made. People don't know Mudavadi was made vice president for
3 months.
Mia hiyo fedra kideke.
Miario.
Thiko naite na kuma gwagitoga
matuko ma marigiririo ma kanu na nyayo.
Yes. Nyayo ne ugetia he baru ya kagamu.
Never mind in the records he is there.
Yes, he's the former. Radio ne kimateta Mudavadi ogu.
Oh, former vice president.
They don't go either. They should. Or it is because he's still active.
Ona ti oguo mieri 3 nao ni menini adio ni andu igana makoretwo mamenya ni vice president
ona ndakoretwo oretio kiuria kigeranio-ini.
Hey, that was a very short
stint. It was a short stint at the power. Never mind by the book. Yes.
He records in his vice president. He is there.
He is there. David, Madividi. Yes, the son of Moses.
Ana isabu itulu nyingi nake Mudavadi.
Mudavadi, no, he's a survivor. Mudavadi has been in the limelight of politics for quite some time. Yes.
Niahurukagite kuo nake.
Na ndwa amurangaite cia minister twacoka guciona wega thutha uyu. Bezo tiare nyingi. Yes.
Kudipenda na wathani uria wikuo. Kwa sasa ni mbadi.
Ni mbadi, CS mbadi. Ndio atakuja kutusomea makadirio
ya bajeti
for the fiscal year 2025-2026.
No gatiba eno ne complicated maundu muno. Miake yo turagwetanga mithi ya nguri. We people used to look forward to the budget reading day.
You see what happened with the budget reading? There were cuts, there were you know, more ni mare gawo wo kira legi ya thithi. The question was Mr. Speaker sir, I would like to increase excise duty.
Then the process became very complicated.
Actually, the jargon. Yes.
Riu gwiciona ikio andu matatindanagira muno.
Yes. We taradonya thathaure rucini.
No tini waigua minister oka guthoma.
Yes.
Ithi okaigua ne aguithia thogora wa kina.
Mutu.
Sukari.
Yes.
You
know, commodities. Yes.
Kuhizi.
We are not very optimistic. Mr. Speaker, times are hard. Why you walk?
Kahinda na fombe ya gwirwo fombe na thigara.
Fombe ici miandarati no ya kiri ari ya mwagori. Kweli na ya ku ona no ikuongererwo ringi.
Gwicire riu yongereirwe gikinyia maximum.
Yes.
Ndingiongererwo ringi.
Yes. I understand for a bottle it pays almost 50%.
Cietagwo sin taxes.
Yes. They are called sin taxes.
Aigua o mwaka thigara ni ya guthwo igoti ringi.
Mucuva. Spirit. Yes. Nathiki. Iwe ni cia bata.
No muno ngiriu ga compensate na ugari.
Oh yes. Anyia fombe makahuthiria ria ngima. Agucia mitonge no makarora sukari. Yes.
Those are good old days.
Let's look forward and hope we might have some reprieve. Inasomangwa
mid-June. It will be the second week of June.
Nataka kusomwa fast.
Thamagiru ha mid-June.
Oh, ne mid. Fast ko holiday.
Thamagiru mid-June.
Sawara.
Sha tugoje.
Tugoje tu.
Oko badi hota gutu surprise.
Never know.
Thai 11 na ndagika 39.